Acme 1 Connect, a book about Chat GPT by Chat GPT. Mostly
The rise of artificial intelligence.
Imagine a world where technology is so advanced that it can understand and respond to our every thought and desire. This is the world that ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI, is helping to create. With ChatGPT, we have the power to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and unlock untold possibilities for human progress. ChatGPT has the potential to change the way we live, work, and communicate. It has the ability to automate tedious tasks, create new forms of art, and even assist in important decision-making. We are on the cusp of a new era, where the power of AI will be harnessed to improve every aspect of our lives. With ChatGPT, we have the opportunity to shape the future and make a real difference in the world. So, let's embrace this technology and see where it can take us. Chapter 1: The technical details of how ChatGPT works. The development of ChatGPT marked a significant milestone in the field of natural language processing. The model's architecture and training process were carefully designed to enable it to understand and generate human language with unprecedented accuracy and fluency. At the core of ChatGPT is a transformer-based neural network architecture, which is able to process large amounts of data and handle long-term dependencies in language. This architecture is composed of an encoder and a decoder, which work together to process the input and generate output. The encoder takes in the input text and generates a set of hidden states, which capture the meaning of the input. These hidden states are then passed to the decoder, which generates the output text one word at a time. The decoder uses the hidden states from the encoder as well as its own internal states to generate each word, allowing it to understand the context and generate a coherent response. One of the key innovations of ChatGPT is its use of pre-training on a large corpus of text data. This allows the model to learn a wide range of language patterns and relationships, which enables it to generate highly realistic and varied text. Once pre-trained, the model can then be fine-tuned on a smaller dataset for a specific task. The training process was done with the help of massive computational power and data, which was not available before. This led to the development of a highly efficient and capable model. This model can now process large amounts of data and generate human-like text with a high degree of accuracy, fluency, and coherence. Chapter 2: Practical uses for ChatGPT. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. One of the most promising areas of application is language translation, where ChatGPT has been used to create highly accurate and fluent machine translation systems. By fine-tuning the model on a specific language pair and domain, it is possible to achieve a high level of fluency and coherence in the generated translations. Another area where ChatGPT has been applied is text summarization. The model can be fine-tuned on a dataset of summarized text, which allows it to generate concise and coherent summaries of longer documents. This can be useful in a variety of applications, such as news summarization, abstractive summarization, and document summarization. Additionally, ChatGPT has been used in question-answering systems, where it can generate accurate and natural-sounding responses to a wide range of questions. The model can be fine-tuned on a dataset of question-answer pairs, which allows it to understand the context and generate appropriate responses. This can be useful in a variety of applications, such as customer service chatbots, virtual assistants, and information retrieval systems. In all these applications, ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human language with a high degree of accuracy and fluency makes it a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks. Its ability to process large amounts of data and handle long-term dependencies in language makes it one of the most promising models for natural language understanding and generation. In summary, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the field of natural language processing by providing a highly accurate and fluent model for a wide range of tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. Its ability to process large amounts of data and handle long-term dependencies in language makes it one of the most promising models for natural language understanding and generation. Chapter 3: The ethical considerations surrounding the use of large language models like ChatGPT. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and develop more advanced models like ChatGPT, it is important to consider the ethical implications of their use. One of the major concerns surrounding the use of large language models like ChatGPT is the issue of bias. Large language models like ChatGPT are trained on massive amounts of text data, which can introduce biases into the model's output. For example, if the training data contains a disproportionate amount of text written by a certain demographic, the model may inadvertently generate text that is biased towards that demographic. This can lead to issues of fairness and discrimination in the model's output. Another concern is privacy. As ChatGPT and other models like it are able to understand and generate human language with high accuracy, there is a risk that they may be used to process sensitive personal information without proper safeguards in place. To mitigate these issues, it is important to use diverse and representative training data and to actively monitor the model's output for biases. Additionally, organizations using these models should have strict policies in place to protect the privacy of individuals and their data. It is also important to consider the societal implications of using these models, such as job displacement and the impact on marginalized communities. It is crucial to have open and transparent discussions about the ethical considerations surrounding the use of these models, and to work towards responsible and inclusive solutions. In conclusion, the use of large language models like ChatGPT raises important ethical considerations, such as bias and privacy. It is crucial to actively address these issues and to work towards responsible and inclusive solutions in order to ensure that the benefits of this technology are shared by all. Chapter 4: Strategies for fine-tuning and customizing ChatGPT for specific use cases, such as building a chatbot or a virtual writing assistant. One of the major advantages of ChatGPT and other large language models is their ability to be fine-tuned for specific use cases. This allows organizations to build custom models that are optimized for their particular applications and domains. For example, to build a chatbot using ChatGPT, the model can be fine-tuned on a dataset of conversational data. This allows the chatbot to understand the context of a conversation and generate appropriate responses. Additionally, it's possible to incorporate specific rules or constraints, such as a restricted set of predefined answers, to further improve the performance of the chatbot. Similarly, to build a virtual writing assistant using ChatGPT, the model can be fine-tuned on a dataset of writing samples, such as news articles, emails, or fiction. This allows the virtual writing assistant to understand the context of the writing task and generate highly realistic and varied text. In both cases, fine-tuning the model on a smaller dataset allows it to learn the specific patterns and relationships that are relevant to the task at hand, resulting in a model that is highly optimized for that specific use case. In addition to fine-tuning, it's also possible to customize the model by adding specific modules or incorporating other technologies to improve performance. For instance, adding a sentiment analysis module to a chatbot, which can help the bot to understand the emotional state of the user, or incorporating a named entity recognition module to improve the answering capabilities of question answering systems. In conclusion, fine-tuning and customizing ChatGPT for specific use cases is a powerful way to create highly optimized models that are tailored to the specific needs of an organization. This approach allows organizations to build custom models that are optimized for their particular applications and domains, resulting in improved performance and more accurate results. Chapter 5: Ways in which ChatGPT and other large language models are being used in industry, such as in customer service, content creation, and search engines. ChatGPT and other large language models have the potential to be used in a wide range of industries and applications. Some of the most promising areas of use include customer service. ChatGPT can be used to build highly accurate and natural-sounding chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries. This can help organizations to automate customer service tasks, reduce response times, and improve the overall customer experience. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate highly realistic and varied text, which can be used to create new forms of content, such as news articles, social media posts, and fiction. This can help organizations to automate content creation tasks and save time and resources. Search engines. ChatGPT can be used to improve the accuracy and relevance of search results by understanding the intent of the user's query and generating more natural-sounding responses. This can help organizations to improve the user experience and increase engagement with their products and services. Language education. ChatGPT can be used to create natural and interactive language learning experiences by providing personalized feedback, suggestions, and even creating exercises. Healthcare. ChatGPT can be used to improve the accuracy and fluency of medical documentation and to assist doctors and nurses in their diagnosis and treatment planning. Business and finance. ChatGPT can be used to analyze and summarize large amounts of financial and business data, to assist in decision-making, and to automate the creation of reports and presentations. In all these cases, ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human language with high accuracy and fluency makes it a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks. Its ability to Chapter 6: Future developments and potentials of the model. ChatGPT and other large language models have the potential to continue to revolutionize the field of natural language processing in the future. Some of the key areas of future development for ChatGPT include improving performance on tasks such as machine translation, text summarization, and question answering by incorporating additional data and fine-tuning the model for specific use cases. Incorporating new techniques for mitigating bias and addressing ethical considerations, such as using diverse and representative training data and incorporating methods for fairness and interpretability. Adding new capabilities to the model, such as the ability to perform reasoning and inferencing tasks, which will enable it to understand and generate text with a higher degree of complexity and abstraction. Incorporating other technologies like computer vision, audio processing and more to create multimodal AI models, which can process and generate text, images, and audio in a coordinated way. Using the model in new and emerging applications, such as virtual and augmented reality, which will enable it to understand and generate text in more immersive and interactive ways. Developing more efficient and powerful architectures and training techniques, which will enable the model to process even larger amounts of data and handle more complex language tasks. In conclusion, ChatGPT and other large language models have the potential to continue to revolutionize the field of natural language processing in the future, by continuing to improve performance, addressing ethical considerations, adding new capabilities, and exploring new applications. This technology has the potential to improve every aspect of our lives, and we can expect to see many exciting developments in the coming years. Chapter 7: Comparison with other models and technologies in the field. ChatGPT is one of several large language models that have been developed in recent years, and it is important to understand how it compares to other models and technologies in the field. One of the main competitors of ChatGPT is GPT-2, which is also developed by OpenAI and has similar architecture and capabilities. However, ChatGPT has been trained on even more data and has been fine-tuned for a longer period of time, which has led to improvements in performance and fluency. Another model that is similar to ChatGPT is BERT, which is developed by Google. BERT has a different architecture than ChatGPT, which is based on the transformer encoder architecture. BERT is primarily used for a wide range of natural language understanding tasks, such as text classification and question answering, while ChatGPT is mainly used for natural language generation tasks. There are also other models like T5, XLNet, and Roberta, which have been developed based on transformer encoder architecture. These models have also been trained on large amounts of data and fine-tuned for specific tasks, and have achieved state-of-the-art performance in several benchmarks. In addition to these models, there are also other technologies and approaches that can be used for natural language processing tasks, such as rule-based systems and traditional machine learning methods. These approaches can be useful in specific situations, but they generally lack the flexibility and performance of large language models like ChatGPT. In summary, ChatGPT is one of several large language models that have been developed in recent years, and it is important to understand how it compares to other models and technologies in the field. While it has similar capabilities and architecture to other models like GPT-2, it has been trained on more data and has been fine-tuned for a longer period of time, which has led to improvements in performance and fluency. It also has different use cases than models like BERT, which is mainly used for natural language understanding tasks, while ChatGPT is mainly used for natural language generation tasks. In conclusion, ChatGPT and other large language models represent a major step forward in the field of natural language processing. Their ability to understand and generate human language with high accuracy and fluency has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and communicate. From language translation, to text summarization, to question answering, ChatGPT has been proven to be a powerful tool for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. Its ability to be fine-tuned and customized for specific use cases makes it a valuable asset for organizations across industries. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and develop more advanced models like ChatGPT, it is important to consider the ethical implications of their use and work towards responsible and inclusive solutions. In the words of American inventor, entrepreneur and engineer, Elon Musk, the future is very bright, and we have a duty to make sure the future is as good as possible. With ChatGPT and other large language models, we have the opportunity to shape the future and make a real difference in the world. Let's embrace this technology and see where it can take us.